Welcome to the future of cellular health. This is my morning coffee with these 3 longevity molecules. Stick around because the final results changed my biological age entirely. Swapping a daily stimulant for actual cellular fuel transformed my physiology in ways I never thought possible. We tracked everything from blood markers to cognitive speed. Our first molecule is MOTS-c. Often called exercise in a vial, this mitochondrial-derived peptide doesn't just give you energy, it communicates directly with your genome to boost metabolic health. While caffeine just masks your fatigue by blocking adenosine receptors, MOTS-c actually enhances your metabolic flexibility, allowing your body to burn fat and sugar for real, sustainable energy. The science is undeniable. Research confirms that MOTS-c activates the AMP pathway. It essentially tricks your cells into believing you've just finished a high-intensity 5-mile run, even while you're working. By day 10, the transformation was undeniable. My morning draft were no caffeine jitters or afternoon crashes, just a steady crystalline focus that lasted until sunset. Next is molecule number 2, GlyNAC. This isn't just a supplement, it's the ultimate defense system for your cells against oxidative stress and the core drivers of biological aging. GlyNAC provides the precursors for glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. This molecule naturally plummets as we age, leaving our cells defenseless. We're essentially refilling your cellular armor. Human clinical trials from Baylor College of Medicine are staggering. They showed that GlyNAC supplementation significantly improved muscle strength, gait speed, and cognitive function in older adults. By the 20-day mark, my physical recovery was superhuman. I was hitting the gym harder, yet my muscle soreness was disappearing in half the time. My internal inflammation markers were in a free fall. We measured my C-reactive protein, the gold standard for systemic inflammation. The results? My levels reached an all-time low, lower than when I was in my early 20s. My body felt quiet.
Molecule number 3 is the heavy hitter, Urolithin A. This is the key that unlocks mitophagy, the biological process of identifying and recycling old, dysfunctional mitochondria. Think of Urolithin A as your cellular cleanup crew. It identifies the zombie mitochondria that are dragging your energy down and recycles them into brand new high-performance power plants. You'd have to drink liters of pomegranate juice daily to get this dose, and even then, 60% of people lack the gut bacteria to convert it. This molecule bypasses the gut and goes straight to work. Clinical studies have confirmed a 12% increase in muscle endurance and strength without changing a single thing about your workout routine. It is pure efficiency at the fiber level. Day 30, the moment of truth. I retook my epigenetic biological age test. The results were staggering, a 5-year reduction in my biological age in just 1 month. It wasn't just physical. Cognitive testing showed a 15% increase in processing speed. My short-term memory and verbal fluency were sharper than they had been in years. This is the anti-aging paradox. I had more consistent, high-octane energy without a single drop of caffeine than I ever did while consuming 300 milligrams of coffee daily. Caffeine doesn't give you energy, it borrows it from your future self with high interest. These molecules pay that debt off by building actual, lasting cellular wealth through ATP production. When you combine these 3, MOTS-c, GlyNAC, and Urolithin A, you aren't just taking supplements, you are deploying the ultimate 2026 longevity stack to optimize every cell in your body. Now, a quick reminder, these are advanced biological protocols. You must consult with a longevity-informed physician before starting any new peptide or molecule regimen. Safety is paramount. We are moving out of the era of guessing and into the era of precision aging. We no longer have to accept biological decline as an inevitable part of the human experience. The 2026 protocol is designed for one thing: optimizing the biological hardware of life. Your cells are the foundation of everything you do, feel, and achieve. My heart rate variability, or HRV, showed a marked increase. This means my nervous system is now significantly more resilient to stress than it was just 30 days ago.
The most surprising result was our sleep. Without the late-day caffeine clearance issues, my deep sleep cycles increased by an average of 40 minutes every single night. That is pure recovery. At BioAge Labs, our mission is simple. We decode the world's most complex longevity research so you can take actionable steps to live longer and perform at your peak. So subscribe to our channel.